may lead them to dismantle the ring of robbers operating within Nairobi, a criminal gang that robs Kenyans their phones and other electronics, mostly at gunpoint. The operation that led to the recovery of more than 150 phones within Nairobi has made police believe that the 7 suspects already in custody are a part of a gang that has been terrorizing Nairobians, robbing them and reconfiguring the gadgets with a view to erasing any possible traces, thus making it a perfect underworld operation.
We were able to recover all these phones that you see here, 154 mobile phones, 2 laptops and 1 tablet.
The phones were recovered in different parts of Nairobi after a reported case of an individual who was mugged within the CBD.
Some of the phones that you see here have been subjected to analysis by the CID to help us identify the owners for our further investigation and action.
Immediately investigation commenced, police managed to arrest Simon Irungu Mwangi, Brown Munubi Okutoi, Lawrence Baraka, John Njenga, Zablon Gadambi, Noah Nyoike and Brian Ojambo, who will spend the night behind bars till Monday when they will be presented in court.
Hawa ni watu ambao wanahusia in specific locations kwa hizo barabara. Wafanya biashara lakini si wafanya biashara wa matuka.
Meanwhile, another team of detectives based at Kayole police station made another major raid within Kayole that led to the recovery of more than 100 phones stolen from the region. During the raid, Josephat Makori, the owner of the shop suspected to be the hideout of operation for the criminals, ran away and police have launched a manhunt on him. This is a warning to every Kenyan that buying phones from the black market is extremely dangerous, for you never know the source of some of these phones. Franklin Wala, KTN News.